What if you are told that this data, this paragraph, you need to put it in a border? So for this data you need to put border. So simply you go border tab here and click on outside border or all borders, same thing. And if I say, let's say control C, you need to do it for all at once. How you can do that? So simply control A to select all, go to border function again and click on all borders. So this is how it can work. If you want to change the border lines also, there is an option, or the colors you can fill. That's the shape fill. If you want to change the border line here, there is an option here. If you just want to put outside, inside, all border, if you want to remove, so there are so many options over here. So border, this is how it works. Else there's an option of changing your font and everything. You can change here in style. This is the simple formatting at once you can do. If you want to change the whole thing at once, simply use this format. You can see